Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add featured content on your LinkedIn profile. So first you need to open your LinkedIn account, then go for your profile. Okay, when you are on your profile, just go for add profile section. Go for recommendation and you can see here add featured option here. So click on it and you can go for this plus icon here and you can add your featured by post or article link and media. So I'll go for media and choose a photo from here. Okay, you can add description, so I'll just skip it and go for save. And okay, now go back, just refresh it. Okay, wait for a second, scroll down, and in this featured section you can see my featured has been uploaded. So this is how you can add featured content on your LinkedIn. So if you guys found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.